Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with all you fiber optic technicians out there. The redesigned fiber meter and optical light source kit, part number FPL-5555. Now you may already be familiar with our FPL-5050 kit. The difference between this kit and that one is these tools are capable of both multi-mode and single-mode fiber measurements, as well as a data storage feature. This kit provides everything you need for fiber optic cable testing. Here's what's included. FPM-55 fiber optic power meter for measuring wavelengths from 800 to 1650 nanometers with an impressive 0.01 decibel resolution. Plus, it now features a color LCD display for crisp, easy to read measurements and a kickstand on the back for hands-free operation. FLS-55 fiber optic light source used to provide a stable light source at 850 to 1300 nanometers for multi-mode or 1310 to 1550 nanometers for single mode. This, of course, was also updated with a color display and a kickstand. When paired with Jonard's FLS-50 or FLS-55, the FPM-55 or FPM-50A will automatically detect and adjust to the wavelength and frequency of light source, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Also included are a rugged carrying case with shoulder strap and 2 protective storage pouches which keep these precious tools safe and organized. With the FPL-5555, you can now bid farewell to guesswork and say hello to efficiency and accuracy. Whether you're working on data centers, telecommunications, or even home networks, this kit is a must-have. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for many more product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.